I know, I f***ed up, man. I just got the board wet. You guys are responsible for this.
Can I get a mic check?
Mic check, 1, 2. Who hired you? Did you just start yesterday?
You're rolling.
I need water. First of all, don't give me a drink with a straw. I'm not going to be responsible for this getting stuck up a turtle's nose. Get this out of here. This is bad press. Bad PR for me. Out. So apparently Google asked these questions about me?
No.
No.
They're the most Googled questions about you.
So people ask these questions about me.
Real humans.
God help me. Yeah, all of it.
All of it.
Okay. Who is Laura Lee now? She's still finding herself. Take this straw out. Take it out. Go grind that straw up into tiny little pieces. Tiny pieces. I said tiny. Tiny. Where has the time gone? There's more of these. What year is it?
Sweetheart.
Call me sweetheart again. What's Laura Lee been up to, girl? Well, I've been frying chicken. His net worth. Y'all are so nosy.
We're rolling.
Well, really, it depends on the timeline, but currently, not looking good. You can just gauge it off Social Blade. All right, give me another board. Next question. Is Laura Lee buying her subscribers? Who told y'all that? Who told y'all to put that on there? Who told you I bought them? You know I only bought 4 million of them. Okay? It's f***ing rude. Who sent this? No one asked this.
This is real.
Listen to me. I only bought 4.4 million of them, and that is it. That is all I have bought. The rest came natural. That was you. You're about to get fired. You.
There's no one over there.